Looking for natural ways to get glowing skin? The answer might be closer than you think, sitting right there in your kitchen pantry. Today we're going to explore home remedies that have been passed down through generations. First up, we have Besan. Next, we have the golden light that protects it from cell damage. To utilize honey's benefits, you can mix it with coconut oil or fresh tomato juice. Both these combinations will give you a clear and healthy glow. Just apply the mix on your face, leave it for 10 to 15 minutes, and then rinse it off. Lastly, we have an ingredient that might surprise you. Coconut oil, often associated with hair care, is also a potent skin enhancer. It's packed with vitamins A and E and nourishing fatty acids. Coconut oil can help get rid of dullness and dryness, imparting a radiant glow to you. With regular use, these remedies can help you achieve naturally glowing skin right at home. Remember to be patient, as natural remedies take time to show results. And of course, always patch test any new ingredient before applying it on your face. Happy glowing!